So now we will begin the sketch. We will draw in front plane. So here is our circle command. Okay. So now I want this circle to be half. I mean, I want this semicircle. So I will just click line and I will put the pencil on the circle boundary. So I will see these 4 points. I will connect 2 points and I will select it and I will exit the line. Now I want to trim these half circle. So I will select trim entities. Now I will select power trim and now I will simply drag the cursor to the line which I want to trim. Select accept. Okay. Now I have this semicircle. Now if I want to define some relations, for example, this is a curved line. Okay. But I want it to be horizontal. So I will click on the line. So you can see this is a tab open here in which three relations can be defined: horizontal, vertical, or fixed. I want it to be horizontal, so I click horizontal. So you can see the line is now horizontal. Similarly, there are different relations. For example, I want this line and this point to be coincident. So I will click on the point and the line and I will add relations coincident. I can make it coincident or I can make it midpoint or I can simply make it fixed. Now these two lines have been fixed. Okay. Now there is also relation tangent relation. For example, I draw a line here like this. I want this line and this circle to be tangent. I will select these both entities and I will make it tangent. So you can see now these are tangent. There are different relations as well. If you want to see the relation, you will need to click on the line or simply point. For example, this point will show the fixed relation which we added, and this line has different relations. These are horizontal relations. Okay, this line have tangent relation. So if your settings are by default, then you will see different relations popped up on your window. But these can be very tedious to work with. So you need to hide those relations. You can hide it from here and go to relations, view sketch relations, and you make it hide. So now you can see these are not green dots or distractions in your window.